Hey guys, welcome to my videos. Guys, scammers never stop, and today I saw something on social media that made me feel stunned. Like how far people can go to imagine how to deceive others. Now, see this an email, password reset request, claiming it to be from Microsoft. See the logo and see the email address. Everything looks pretty normal, but is it? No. Why? Now, zoom in. So the spelling of Microsoft, MI, right? And it's like RNI. My God. I mean, it's see how bad it has been that I can't imagine like anybody can easily mistaken here. Very easily. Because R and N looks very similar to M, and M stands for Microsoft, right? So especially people those who wake up early and not in like full senses can easily fall victim to this scam, and they can click on the link. They may lose their private information, anything. It may install something. I mean, it's beyond imagination how bad things can go. So all these things prove, guys, that we have to be very careful, extremely careful. That I mean, whoever has done this, like I appreciate his mind, that how good he thinks, but at the same time I denounce this kind of an act. I mean, how could he do this, man? Unbelievable. Like, he has very good brain, no doubt, but such brains should be used only for betterment of people, not for such things. But yeah, that's what I wanted to warn you guys. Be careful. Even one letter in the domain means a lot difference. Okay, so watch these out. It's not just about Microsoft. Be careful for everything that you use. Any such mistake, one mistake, and you could be ruined. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel.